Hi guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today we will be making a cowl scarf and we will be using our chunky chenille yarn. So we have 35 colors guys, and I have a few to show you here. This is our light lavender color, and this is our ivory, one of the most popular colors. Today we will be using baby pink. I really like this color. It's very light and very gentle. So the scarf can be, when it's done, will be pretty wide, and you can actually wear it like this, like a huge and tall scarf, or you can kind of fold it in two, and that's how it will look like. And this is the way I like to wear it. So what do you think? Isn't it nice? Yeah, it will protect your neck during cold and winter days. If it's windy or cold, it will be here on your neck, protecting you from cold weather. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so we will be using this baby pink, very light pink color. So the same as usual, I'm making a knot and cutting the end to prevent unraveling. This is the tail, this is working yarn. Make a loop, insert your hand inside the loop, grab working yarn and pull it out. This is your first stitch. You can pull working yarn up and down to make it smaller or bigger. We will keep it about 1.5 inches like this. So now insert your hand again, grab working yarn, pull it out. This is a second stitch. Now you can use the right hand, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. And we are casting on 5 stitches this way guys. 1 2 3 4 5. It's actually 6. We need 5. 1 2 3 4 5 stitches. And we can actually make it 6. It will be a little bit wider like that. So now we will start knitting. Let's turn this upside down like that. And this is our first stitch, and now we will be using these bumps in the middle to make to pull our yarn out. So lift this knot, insert your fingers, grab working yarn and pull it out. Find another knot, lift it, insert your fingers, grab working yarn, pull it out. Here's 3 more. Lift it, insert your hand and fingers, grab working yarn, pull it through. So this way we pull through all our 6 stitches guys. Okay, so we have 6 stitches and now we're making our first row. So insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it through. Insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it through. Keep doing the same way with all the stitches guys, and 6 stitches like that. Now when we're knitting this next row, we will be skipping this stitch, and the reason we will be skipping it because it will have a beautiful chain on the side, the same as on the bottom. So we're taking the second stitch and we're knitting it the same way. Grab working yarn, pull it through. So you can see that it's pretty simple. The yarn is very soft. So here's the first stitch, we're keeping it here, and then we're just knitting the second one. As I said, this yarn is very soft and fluffy. This scarf will be very big, bulky and beautiful. Again, skipping and going to the next stitch guys. So the same way, if you were watching my previous videos, the same way as we are usually knitting the blanket, with the simple stitch like that. The only difference that this will be 6 stitches, and when we have the length of the scarf that we want, we will connect the yarn and make a cowl scarf. Okay, so guys, keep knitting this way, and when I am done I will come back and show you how to connect the sides. Okay guys, so we have this lengths in, that enough for the cowl scarf, and now we will be finishing the scarf and connecting it. So you will need to keep at least 3 lengths, 1, 2, 3. I actually have 4 just in case. So fold the scarf together like that, and then turn it on another side. And now we will be using the 6 stitches on this side and this cast on part. So your hand is here inside the stitch, and now go inside the top of the stitch here, grab working yarn, pull it through. This is the tail, you can leave it here, we will weave it in later. Now you have your hand inside the stitch, add the second stitch from this 6, and now go to this next stitch on the opposite side, grab working yarn and pull it through all 3. The same here guys, 2 stitches going inside the next, and pull it through all 3 stitches. Next 2, and the opposite side, have one here, add another, go inside the stitch, pull through stitches, and now the 2 last here and 1 here, and then pull them through. Now we have this one last stitch. What we will be doing, we will be inserting the tail and pulling it through the yarn like that. So now we can finish it. We will cut the end here. We will make a knot to prevent unraveling, and then cut the tail of the knot. And now we have these 2 tails, which we can easily just tuck in underneath any of the stitches here. So weave it in, tuck it in. Chenille yarn is really fluffy, so you will not see where it's weaved in, like this. Here you go. So we connected this scarf guys, it's all connected and done. So now we will turn it inside out. Here's our beautiful cowl scarf. Isn't it gorgeous? It's very soft, nice. You can wear it like that, or you can have it folded in 2 like this. It will be softer, and it will protect your neck on very cold winter days. So this yarn is available at BeCozi.net. We have 35 colors guys available, so check out BeCozi.net. Stay warm and be cozy.